What kind of seeds? What are they called? Acorns. They make acorns. There's also acorns right here. So you have to find acorns. So try and find an oak tree if you can.
It's okay. See? Oh, see, it just feels normal. Yeah.
Wait, I want to.
Let's hear it. Forward, backwards, out of the water. Forward, backwards, out of the water. Just like that.
Good, guys.
So everyone say that. So if Miss Darlene here were to flick her tail up, what color do you think her tail would be?
White.
Make sure you have 2 feet in every tire.
Watch out for that spider. Keep going.
Gently. Yeah. Yeah.
He's a what species? What are y'all gonna say?
Invasive.
Invasive species.
This is teeth.
We need the tiniest little tweezer.
It's alright. When you bring me, I'll give you a push.
Come on. Do it.
The chlorophyll begins to break down as well, and as it does that, it reflects all different colors from the light spectrum. So that's where all these yellows are coming from.